I'm gonna go to 4-hour time frame right now. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. So as you can see, like we had this low which gave us this high, and this high gave us this low. So what I'm gonna do is just I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna clone these things. And this high gave us this low, and this low is gonna give us, it's gonna give us this high. It's gonna give us this high. This is just like a normal price which I'm just reading. This is just a normal chart structure which I'm trying to read. This is the low, this is the high, this is the low, this is the high. And what are we supposed to have here? We are supposed to have what? We are supposed to have what? We're supposed to have another low here, which can give us what? Which can give us another high. We're supposed to have what? We're supposed to have another low here. We had it. Actually, we had this low. We had this low, which just failed to give us what? To give us a high above what? Above this high. That's why it's called a higher high. That's why this one we call it a low. This one we call it a high. We call this one a what? A higher low, because it's what? It's higher above what? Above this low. Then we call this one a higher high, because it's high above what? It's high above this high. That's why it's higher low, higher high. So right here, I'm just writing lows, high, lows, high, low, high, just to show you something. So as you can see, we failed to create a high here, but look what we created from this low. What we created from this low is that we created what? We created a high, which is a what? Which is a lower high above what? Above a high that we had. I hope you are understanding what I'm saying. We created a what? A lower, this is a lower high, because this high is above this high. This one is lower above this one, above what? Above our previous high. That's why you call it a what? A lower high, because it's lower above the previous one, the previous high. So we created this right here, this high right here, and we went again to create what? To create another what? To create another low here, to create another low here. We are changing direction. It's still the same thing, but right now it's what? It's just that our direction is changing. It's changing. I haven't put trend lines. I haven't put anything right here. I just put that my breaking of the structure of this market. So we are having a new thing right here, which is a what? Which is a trend. Which is correct. Doesn't mean you have to see a trend by putting a trend line. You can see a trend by how this highs and low they are for me. You can see a trend by how this lows and high are for me. You can see that trend in that way. So this is what I'm talking about. Isn't this a nice trend? This is a trend. So this is what I've seen. This is what I have to sell from here to here, but I still, I'm just gonna be. Let me not try to confuse you, because we're still gonna go deep into these things. So let me show you something. Hopefully, I'm sure you're understanding this market structure. Mm, mm. Like in everything, it's clean here. Everything is so clean that you can see everything's so clean here. Everything's just so clean. That's how your chart should be. They should be so clean that even a young kid can see what you are trying to say or do. So let's try to delete this zone here. Let's try to delete this zone right here. You see, this is how easy trap works. You know? So you can do this just to mark like previous levels. This is what you can do. And check something. Check something. Right now, because we made this high and we're gonna be making what? We're gonna be making a low. See, we have our previous low right here, which means when we arrive at this low, our price can react. It can what? It can push to the upside again, or it can break this zone and retest it and push to the downside. Just you know, this is what I call like a trend trading. If you're trading trends. So this is our for our time frame.